Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Cloudflare Workers login issues, account and script errors step by step clearly. To fix Cloudflare Workers login issues, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your connection is stable and functioning properly. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Sometimes, these services can interfere with login attempts. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Now, navigate to the Cloudflare Workers login page. Enter your credentials carefully to avoid any typos. If you receive an error message, double-check your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. In case you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure you have access. Proceed to enter the verification code as prompted. If you are still experiencing issues, try using a different browser or incognito mode. This can help determine if the problem lies within your browser settings. If the issue persists, check the Cloudflare status page for any ongoing incidents. Sometimes login problems are due to server outages or maintenance. If everything appears normal, visit your Cloudflare account settings. Review any recent changes you might have made to your account or scripts. If you've deployed new code, it may be impacting your service. Temporarily revert to the previous version of your script to see if that resolves the issue. If you're still unable to log in, consider reaching out to Cloudflare support. Provide them with details about the issue you are facing. Include any error messages and the troubleshooting steps you've taken. This will help expedite the resolution process. Once resolved, always keep your credentials secure to avoid future login issues. Regularly update your password and maintain a backup two-factor authentication method. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.